My name is Ramon Dominguez. Today we'll be describing univariate distributions. We'll go over bivariate analysis, bell curve, positive skewness, and negative skewness. Bivariate analysis. In assignment 1, we compare two groups based on the outcome variable, that is, the percent tip received. Statisticians are in a consensus in their beliefs that the use of a bivariate analysis is a simple approach to analyze data. Bivariate analysis is often used to describe the data and finds a relationship between two sets of values. The bell curve. A bell curve is another name for a normal distribution curve. The name obviously comes from its resemblance to a bell. A bell curve, also known as a normal curve, is symmetric. A normal distribution. Here we have an example of a normal distribution. In this example, we can observe a bell-shaped normal distribution that has been separated according to their value. Here, the values, as we can see, are divided into low, average, and high. At its extremities, we have extremely low and extremely high. Positive skewness. Here we have a positive skew distribution, also known as right skewed distribution. A positive skew distribution is not symmetric. The mean is to the right of the peak with a long right tail. We can view this here in our example of assignment 1 with our tip percentage. Negative skewness. Here we have an example of a negatively skewed distribution, also known as a left skewed distribution. A negatively skewed distribution is not symmetric. The mean is to the left of the peak with a long left tail. Our research question drew us to investigate whether or not drawing a happy face on customers' checks increased the amount of tips received by a waitress. We then observed the mean to be a 30% tip. Therefore, this led us to the conclusion that there was a moderate distribution as a relatively high number of the scores fell in the middle range close to our mean.